Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with the new video, new openings and new hopes. Guys, today I'm going to share around 9 companies openings with you. So stay tuned on video, do not skip the video. And if you are new on the channel, please do subscribe our channel for more job updates regarding software testing, DevOps and networking. So I'm requesting you just hit the like button if you still not hit the like button. So let's start with the company names, their eligibility criteria, their application procedure, their subject line and email IDs. So let's get started with the first company name. The first company name is Scientific Technologies. They are hiring for a automation test engineer. The position name is automation test engineer and it should be mentioned in your subject line while you sending the resume to the recruiter. Okay, and the job location will be hybrid and the job company location will be Hyderabad. So skill sets they are expecting C Sharp, Selenium, API testing, BDD, Postman, Agile and Scrum. Okay, and experience they are expecting 0 to 3 years. And if you are interested and fulfill this eligibility criteria, you need to share your profile on careersindia@scientific.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Omni Scientist Software of Private Limited, a job opportunity for manual tester. So job role is manual tester and it should be mentioned in your subject line. Okay. uh, So experience they are expecting 1+ years. So skill sets manual testing and functional testing. Salary is best in industry and the location will be pan India. So they have not disclosed any particular city name. So if you are interested and fulfill this eligibility criteria, you need to share your profile on puja.bajaj@omniscient.co.in. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Simticway Technologies. They are hiring for QA/SDT engineer. Skill sets they are expecting Java, Selenium, UI and web services test experience should be added advantage for you. Job location will be pan India. They have not disclosed any particular city name. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on shivani@simtechway.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Guys, before sending the resume, please make sure the email ID is clear and no any spelling mistakes. Okay, so refer the screen given the email ID on the screen. Okay, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Talented Minds Technologies. They are hiring for functional tester for their clients. Job location will be Mumbai, Bangalore, Gurgaon and Chennai. Okay, a functional tester strong testing experience in banking domain should be. If you have the banking domain knowledge, it is added advantage. Some core banking experience is added advantage. Ability to mentor the influence consultant to achieve the project quality objectives. Jira and Jira experience is mandatory. Good to have if you have the previous experience working with the Azure integration layer, it's preferred. If you have the any previous experience regarding your Azure integration layer, so it will be added advantage. And if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on santakaur@talentminds.in. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, important note, I am not a hiring person. If anyone asks money for the interview, it might be a fake. Do not pay a single rupees to anyone. So make a note of it. So do not pay a single rupees to anyone. Let's move on the next company. The next company name is fintech companies. So it might be a parent company. So they are expecting a QA tester. So the role name is QA tester and it should be mentioned in your subject line. So job location will be Mumbai. And experience they are expecting 1 to 6 years. Skill sets they are expecting Java, Selenium, REST API And if you are interested and fulfill this eligibility criteria, you need to share your profile on manjari.s@a3s.in. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Sapent Codes Labs. It might be a consultant. It's your turn if you want to share the profile or not. So they are hiring a manual testing engineer. Company name is Sapent Code Labs Private Limited. Job role is multiple roles they are available in that organization. So you just share your profile, and experience they are expecting 0 to 6 years. Freshers are also eligible and welcome. So skill sets they are expecting: manual testing, functional testing, API testing, database testing. Database testing means it's regarding your SQL. Agile and methodology should know. Qualification: any stream, any degree, any graduation. Okay. Responsibilities: you need to take a test case design, test preparation, test case execution, defect reporting, and retesting. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on careers@sapidentcodelabs.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, let's move on the next company. The next company name is Creed. They are hiring for freshers QA interns. So it's a front end position. So QA interns is the position, and it should be mentioned your subject line. So designation and role, it's same, means you need to mention QA interns hyphen front end in your subject line. So make a note of it. Qualification: bachelor degree, any graduation in technical. So experience they're expecting freshers are welcome. Basic skill sets: basic knowledge of mobile and web technologies, technical background with the ability of basic script and script in Java and Python, it's added advantage. Basic manual and basic knowledge of manual testing and API testing. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to apply over the link which is given in the description below. Please check out the link in description and apply accordingly. Okay guys, before moving the next company, I would like to request you, if you still not follow us on Instagram and Telegrams, please do follow us on Instagram and Telegram, because since last week I have posted 25 to 30 companies opening on Instagram and Telegram. So please do follow us on Instagram and Telegram as well. You can find my Instagram and Telegram link in description below. Okay, please check out and do follow us. And if you have any doubt, if you want to ask anything to me, you can reach me on Instagram. Okay, and Instagram ID you can find in the description, or you can see on the screen here. Okay, so let's move on the next company. The company name is, or it might be a consultant, rupalsolutions.com. Rupal Solutions, they are hiring for a manual test engineer. Role is QA tester, and it should be mentioned in your subject line while you sending the resume to this particular email ID. So QA tester, it should be mentioned in your subject line. Good to have experience of 1.5 years to 2 years of experience, expertise in manual testing and automation testing, and immediate joining they will prefer. Okay, if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on hr@rupalsolutions.com. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Guys, please check letter by letter spelling on the screen. Okay, before sending the resume, please cross check Okay, so let's move on the next company. The next company name is Magellanx Technologies. They are hiring for a QA engineer with automation and manual. Okay, both they are hiring. So this role requires knowledge of manual and automation testing both. Job location will be Chennai, India, and it will be hybrid mode available. And experience they're expecting 3+ years in quality assurance experience. Scripting in automation and technical, Selenium with similar experience, willing to learn in Appium. So familiar with JavaScript, best in performance testing, best in bash scripting. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on melvin.josephraj@megalenx.co. So correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay guys, before moving the next opening, guys, I would like to tell you we have started a resume building services, and please make a note of it. It's a paid service. Those who want to build a resume from me, so you can, those candidate can reach on this WhatsApp number which is given on the screen. So it will be the paid. Please make a note of it. Just ping me on WhatsApp. I will share the details, what will be the fees, what will be the procedure, and how much time it will take to deliver a new resume to you. Okay. Let's now move on the next company. The next company, or it might be a consultant. It's a Randstand. I think it's a consultancy of Pune. So it's your turn if you want to share the profile or not. Please make a note of it. You can share the resume, but do not pay a single rupees to anyone. Okay, you can share the resume. They are hiring for manual testing for investment banking project they have, and job location will be Bangalore, Bangalore. Experience they're expecting 3+ years. Skill sets preferred: user interface testing, means UAT testing, identify bugs, manual testing, functional testing. Salary based in industry, so they have not disclosed any particular digit over here. So if you are interested and fulfill this criteria, you need to share your profile on psych.sardar@randstand.in. Correct email ID with the correct spelling you can see on the screen. Okay, guys, I already told 9 to 10 companies openings with you. If you still have any doubt in your mind, you can reach me on my Instagram ID. You can see my Instagram ID over here, or you can find my Instagram profile link in the description. So please check out the link in the description. And if you have any doubt, if you want to ask personally anything to me regarding your fake experience, regarding your resume, regarding your Naukri profile, regarding your LinkedIn profile, you can definitely reach me on Instagram. Okay, so you can see the list Instagram ID over here, or also you can find my profile link in description. So just go apply and grab the opportunity as soon as possible. So good luck, guys. So in this video I already told 9 to 10 companies openings, 9 to 10 companies openings. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.